Now we will talk about the people productivity features in TeamTrace. In the overview dashboard, you're looking at an individual team member's performance through the people productivity page. Here we will select the desired user with the date range set to as per your requirement. Just below, a summary strip highlights the key numbers for the week: work hours, activity level, total idle duration, total break time, number of software usages, and website visits. The cards beneath break these figures down visually. The work hours card compares the user's hours against the department average using 2 gauges. Next to it, the activity level card plots his activity trend against the department over the week. A second work hours card shows the same comparison as a daily bar chart, while the break card measures his break time against the department average. Lower down, the task versus activity versus project chart compares the hours logged across tasks, activities, and projects over time. Beside it, the work summary donut splits his time into active, break, and idle distribution. And the idle level card tracks his idle time against the department day by day. Finally, the table at the bottom gives you a day-wise attendance log. For each date, you can see the check-in and check-out times, the total time logged, the number of breaks taken, and the activity level for that day, giving you a clear, day-by-day record of how the week played out. Now let's move over to the Screenshots tab. This is where you get a detailed, timeline-based look at a team member's captured activity throughout the day, with the date and the time zone set as per your requirement. You can move between days using the arrows beside the date, or pick one directly from the calendar. Just below, a summary strip lays out the day's key figures: check-in time, check-out time, total active hours, idle time, and an overall activity percentage. Beneath that, the screenshots are organized along a vertical timeline, grouped by task for the standard TeamTrace tracker. Each block opens with a task name along with the time range it covers and the total time worked on it. Whenever the user steps away, an on-break marker breaks up the timeline, showing the exact start and end time along with the break's duration. From there, the next task picks up, and the pattern continues down the page, giving you a clear, chronological account of the entire working day. Next up is the Software tab. This is where you get a full breakdown of which applications a team member has been using and for how long. At the top, 4 cards give you the high-level picture. The software use card breaks down time spent per application in a pie chart. Beside it, the user versus department radar chart plots those same applications against the department for easy comparison. The next pair shifts from individual apps to categories. The software category use card groups usage into buckets, while the second user versus department radar chart maps those categories against the department average. Below the cards, 2 tables give you the exact numbers. On the left, the software table lists each application alongside its category, the user's usage duration, and the department total for comparison. On the right, the software category table rolls those same figures up by category, again showing usage duration against the department. Finally, the strip along the bottom is a day-by-day usage timeline. Each row represents a date, laid out across a 24-hour scale from midnight to midnight, with color-coded bars showing exactly when each type of software was in use throughout the day, giving you an at-a-glance view of activity patterns across the whole week. Now we'll move to the Website tab, which tracks every site a team member has visited and how much time they've spent on each. 2 summary cards on the left give you the essentials at a glance: the total number of website visits and the total time spent across all sites. Next to those, the website category donut chart breaks that time down by category. Beside it, the time spent by category bar chart plots the same information as hours per category, making it easy to spot where the bulk of browsing time went. Below, the main table lists each site individually. For every entry, you'll see the website name, its full website URL, the assigned category, and the time spent on it. So you can see exactly which pages were visited and for how long, right down to the minute. Finally, on the lower right, A second website category chart offers another view of that same category distribution, reinforcing where the browsing time was concentrated over the week. Let's head over to the Breaks tab, which shows you how often a team member steps away and how those breaks compare to their department. 3 cards across the top frame the picture. The Breaks card compares the user's total break count against the department average. The largest break card plots the longest break duration for the user against the department over the week, while the smallest break card does the same for their shortest breaks, shown as a daily bar chart. Below the cards, a detailed table breaks everything down day by day. For each date, you'll see the number of breaks taken alongside the department average, then the largest break duration next to the department figure, and finally, the smallest break duration, again paired with the department comparison, giving you a complete side-by-side read of the user's break patterns against their department for every day of the week. Now let's open the Activity tab, which gives you the most granular, minute-by-minute look at what a team member was working on. 3 cards sit across the top. The first shows total working time. The second shows average activity. The active versus idle donut then splits the day into active versus idle time, while the Applications Use card breaks down which apps were used and for how long. Below that, the activity log is organized as an expandable timeline. Each row represents a time block across the day, and clicking one opens it up to reveal the detail inside. Within an expanded block, you'll see each individual entry, the specific window or page title, the application it belongs to, the duration spent on it, the activity level recorded as a percentage, and the number of keystrokes registered during that window. Where a single entry spans multiple pages or applications, a small counter, such as a +16 next to the title or a +7 beside the application, tells you how many additional items are grouped under it, and hovering over an entry surfaces its full title. Together, this gives you a precise, time-stamped account of exactly what was happening throughout the working day. The last tab is Engagement, which pulls everything together into a single hour-by-hour picture of how a team member spent their day. Across the top, a set of cards gives you the day's headline details. The Daily Mood card shows the mood the user logged for the day. Beside it, Check-in and Check-out display the day's start and end times. There's also an average activity figure, an active versus idle donut splitting the day between the two, and the Applications Use card, breaking down time spent per application. Below that, on the left, is the duration timeline, 1 row for each hour of the working day. Each row is filled with a color-coded activity bar, and those colors map to activity intensity. A peach shade marks activity under 25%, light blue marks 25 to 50%, a deeper blue marks 50 to 75%, and green marks anything above 75%. Gray segments indicate idle stretches. At a glance, this lets you see how engaged the user was across every hour of the day. Selecting any hour opens the detailed panel on the right. Here, the chosen window, say 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., is expanded into a minutes breakdown, showing the same color-coded intensity minute by minute across the full 60-minute span, with the overall activity percentage for that hour shown in the corner. Below the breakdown, a screenshot preview shows what was on screen during that window, and alongside it, the Apps and URLs table lists each application and page used in that hour with its exact duration, giving you the deepest possible drill down into a single hour of the day.